Howdy guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Demi from Cjdropshipping. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys the top 100 best sellers and beginners on Cjdropshipping the past half month, as well as advice on do and don't sell in Q1 2021. I used to share the selling data of the whole previous month, but these days hot sellers have changed rapidly, so I have to change the strategy and share with you guys the top sellers for the past fortnight. Before we jump into today's content, make sure you have subscribed and smash a like to help out with the channel, which is really important to us. I have to thank you so much for your support. Today, we'll focus on the beginners, those new proven sellers on Cjdropshipping, and also 6 promising niches to recommend in Q1. I've picked and posted some promising winning products on the description. If you have any interest in other products in the list, leave a comment below. I will send you the product link. Here's a list of the top 100 best sellers on Cjdropshipping in the past half month, ranked by growth. From a list, we can see the product names and their orders and growth. 56 items got growth, but left items got a decrease. Many niches got good sales in the past fortnight, but some are not promising niches because many items and that niche got negative growth, which means that niche could have been saturated. I marked the same niche with the same color so we can see the data in much clearly. Now let's study the data to see what we can sell and what don't in the coming Q1. Firstly, let's go over those niches that may be saturated. I found there are 4 niches that got good sales in the past Q4, but they got obvious decrease in orders in the past half month. This is a signal that those niches may be too saturated, or Q1 is not their season to sell. Those niches are pet supplies, lightings, toys, and homeware. Homewares are some kind of seasonal products. They got surging demand in Q4. As the weather gets warmer, their sales fell. So in the past fortnight, the sales of spring homewares, thick velvet leggings, plush blanket hoodie, and outdoor waterproof gloves on the top 100 sellers dropped markedly. So homewares are obviously not a good choice to sell in Q1. Lightings help to create a bright, cozy atmosphere, so they are always hot in Q4. But as the spring comes, days become longer, so the demand for lightings in Q1 may get obviously decline than in Q4. On the list, we can see though 5 lightings got not bad sales, all of them got a sharp decline in sales. So find something popular in spring to sell, lightings are no longer attractive to consumers. There were 8 pet supplies on the list. 5 of them ranked top 15, but when ranked by growth, we'll find the sales of 6 pet supplies got a decrease. Pet supplies are some kind of an evergreen niche for dropshipping, but it seems to be too saturated in Q1. Make comprehensive market research before you set about on this niche. Toys were a proven hot niche in Q4. There were 8 toys on the top 100 best sellers list of the past half month, but 5 of them got negative growth. The demand for toys seems to decline, but new hot sellers keep on coming out. So if you find a new winner, just catch it. Next, let's check the promising niches to do in Q1. I see a great demand for kitchen products, jewelry, and personal care niche. They each got 13, 7, and 10 top sellers. Kitchen products are a big hot niche. Knives and baking products are the major 2 sub-niches. Knives were long been hot sellers on Cjdropshipping. We got many big sellers made a great success by selling kitchen knives. Baking products are promising as the lockdown continues. People dine and cook more at home. The demand for kitchen products seems not to decline, and many will prepare for Mother's Day in Q1, like people love to bake for Mother's Day, so baking products are good to sell. Jewelry was hot in Q4, and this niche is still promising for Q1, as there is Valentine's Day in February. People love shopping for special days. Couples buy gifts for each other. Jewelry is always on the top choices as gifts for Valentine's Day. Customized pendants have your name or photo on them, couple bracelets, and fashion watches were all good ideas to sell. Personal care products are hot in Q1 and Q2. People seem to pay more attention to their appearance in Q1 and Q2 and value the cozy of surroundings more in Q3 and Q4. That is to say, people have a greater preference for products to get them to look better and spend more time on keeping fit. So apart from personal care products, fashion and fitness products are two hot niches to do. Hoodies, jackets, and sweaters are all hot to sell, but you need to have the insights to find in-style wears popular in the market, or it is not easy to do the fashion niche. And the high demand for fitness products seems to increase due to the second wave of the lockdown. Talk of the lockdown, the demand for masks and related products never declined, but the hot sellers evolve. At the beginning of the lockdown, KN95 masks and medical masks sold like hotcakes. As time went by, they became saturated. Then cotton masks with filters, then mask clips, then transparent face shield, then mask bracket. Hot products evolve. If you can find a winner before others and sell it, this is a great niche to make quick success. Just subscribe to our channel to get the latest trending products every week. That will be the end of today's video. Share it with the Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter if you like it. And do not forget to subscribe to us here and ring the bell so you will not miss our updates. Like to help out with the channel so we can make it better. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.